Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Facepaint Forum Shop. My name is Lily, and today we're going to create a rainbow puppy. Now this design was chosen by my model to do today. So I'm going to start off with the tag rainbow cake called Happy Birthday. It's one of my very favorites, most often used. I'm also using a teardrop sponge to apply it. Here up top, we're going to create those puppy dog ears. We're also going to go under her eyes to create the fur. Going all the way down to the bottom of the nose. Here I decided to use Star Blends White. It's a pigment powder. I'm using a Wolf Effects sponge applicator, but you're welcome to use any kind of smoothie blender. I'm applying it to the bridge of the nose itself. Up top, we're in between the ears for fur. We're also going to use the Star Blends to create the muzzle as well. Now I'll grab my little cornel round number 4 with Superstar Purple. I'm going around and in and creating 2 little lines for the inner part of the puppy ear. We're going to do the same but opposite direction on the other ear. So you're going all the way around, coming in, and creating 2 little lines for the inner part of that ear. Here in the center, we'll go ahead and create some fun little fur hair. Now we'll go ahead and create her puppy dog nose. While the paint is still wet, we'll add some iridescent glitter for fun. Now we'll create the outside of the puppy design. We'll drag down and come up to create that puppy dog fur. We'll do the same thing on both sides. I went ahead and outlined the outside of the muzzle too. And we'll create a small teardrop in the center to split that muzzle. Now I'm using global magenta for the tongue. I know most of the time it's a red tongue, but I thought it would be really fun to use magenta. We'll fill in the purple on the bottom lip here for the puppy. And now I'm using a blue shade of color to create the dots. I believe this one is called Petrol Blue. It's definitely one of my favorites for outlining, but it looks really great on this design too. We'll outline the tongue with this color as well. And here, just to complete the whole puppy dog face, we'll use that same petrol blue to go around her eyes. We'll add some white dots here with a low cornel round number 3 and a shine on the nose. Puppy dog complete. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Remember, you can find all of these products at facepaintforumshop.com.